What's up? We're back in our video, guys. A rain day in Holland, Michigan. Here comes once again the ghost truck. Not once again, but it's a ghost truck. Right about there. That's how far I can do it because trees I know I ain't work with. There's a ghost truck right there, and as soon as he gets next door, that's when I put the camera down. Okay, guys? Okay. Now I'm going to put the camera down since you can't quite see the other camera. Sorry, not camera. But sit back and relax. Watch the video. Here we go. Guys, this is from viewpoint because this is the rain. Video, guys. I'll do no one maybe today, but I think that'll be it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.